Hi everyone, this is Tina from JNOD Heat Pump. Today, I would like to introduce our R290 heating, cooling, and domestic hot water heat pump to you. First, you can see this is 2-phase heat pump. The heating capacity of it is 22 kilowatts. For the single fan heat pump, it has 5, 7, 9.5, 12, and 15 kilowatts. 1 kilowatt can heat 10 square meters. You can tell me your house heating area, and then I can recommend the proper model to you. Okay, let me show you. You can use our heat pump in winter or summer, heat or cool your house, or heat the water for shower and kitchen use. It can work minus 35 degrees to 43 degrees. The maximum water outlet temperature can be 75 degrees, so it has the stable hot water performance. You can have the comfortable shower. And for this heat pump, we also make it has the Wi-Fi and the IS-45 functions, so you can use the app on your phone or computer to monitor the real-time performance data of the heat pump. Besides, we will pack it with 10 kinds of languages, like Polish, English, and other languages. Okay. Do you have any interest with this heat pump? Welcome to contact us. Thank you.